यानंतर जिल्हा परिषद डॉक्टर जयंत विद्यार्थी आपल्याबरोबर भेटतात.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Ali Fatima. I study in class 6. President of Students Program, honorable inspector and teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. Today I have gathered in this speak on the topic of Independence Day. Ask the president about the role of freedom in the all of freedom. Indian never gave mother and they are certain they will not stay evidently. After a long year due to the after God of freedom. Our 15 years 1947 Gandhi Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Abdul Kalam Azad, Syed Ashfaq Ullah Khan, and many other leaders. Finally, I will